Hi guys, today I'm going to show you Excel formulas to understand the difference between if date formula and the text date formula. Let's get started. Let me first apply the formula for the if date formula. If A2 equal to empty string and it returns empty string, if not, give me date format according to this format only I need. Give me year and month. Day is not needed. Let me leave it as 1. Here you get it. If the current format is not what you see, now you can change the date format, the custom date formats. This is how you need to change it. Go to right click any cell here and click format cells, and there in the number tab go to custom, and here the date type should be this, and click OK. After that, copy and paste all. Here you get that. Now let's look at the text date formula. Text and format should be the same. By right. Okay, so both output might look similar, but their purposes are different. So let me show you the difference between these two tables. So before that, let's create pivot tables for both formulas and see how sorting and grouping works for both pivot tables. So let's create first pivot table within the same sheet itself. Right, so let me take the date and the overdue into values, and here you can group. You have the options to group the dates as you prefer, right? And also you can sort it from oldest to newest, or you can sort it by newest to oldest. Here see it changes according to your preferences, the changes you made here, right? So let's create pivot table for this the second table as well. And yeah, as we did before, let's create a pivot table within the same sheet. I'm dragging into rows, and the overdue amount is to into values, right? So let's try group by doing a group. Yeah, it's not grouping. And the sorting is also not possible. It's because the Excel treats this as a text string only. It doesn't treat as a date. So because of that reasons, you're not able to change change the sorting by date, or we can also do a grouping in this format. So where you should use the text date formula. So it's perfect for situations where you need the date as text string. For an example, when concatenating with other texts, yes, there are situations. Let's try that. Let me apply the formula again, which is concatenate formula, right? And I'm referring to C2, and the text one is C2, and I'm leaving a blank between C1 and C3 text. C3 text, I'm giving this as sample text. So let's give it, this is a date, sorry. And here see, it doesn't give the date, it just gives this string only, because this is a date formula, so you can't convert date formula into a text string. So but if you apply the same formula to the text formula, it changes properly to the date, which is in a text string. So let me come from beginning. Yeah, let me apply the formula again, concatenate, and I go here and, and leaving a space, and my text, this is the date. Here you see. So there you have it, the key difference between these two formulas and their best use cases. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Excel tips. So thanks guys for watching. See you next time.